is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel. It's been a little minute, like always, because I feel like every time I jump on one of these videos, I'll be like, oh, it's been a minute. But let's go, Lil John. Swap the bumper on there, the trunk, and now he about to do the wheels. See them Johns. So leave my jack alone, Pop. Just because you can't pump it, don't mean nothing. Yo, they was not playing. They left them Jones greasy as shit.
You know why he told me?
What he told you?
I gotta charge you for the grease too. I said $51.
Nigga charge you for grease.
I got gloves.
Don't worry about it. I got my methods.
Like 21?
22.
Yo! Yo!
Hold on, let me get that. Let me get that. Damn.
We need a new adapter.
When it's winter time. Yo.
See that joint? I don't know.
Go striker bull.
I ain't striking more.
Yeah, alright, I seen that Durango video.
Which one?
The Durangos are striker?
The Durango's a striker?
Nah, that shit gonna look good though. Let's take these fucking wheels off, get this shit started.
One week later.
Gotta bring out the big John. A mano, papi, porque la pistola no sirve.
That's the clip.
It's in the clip. Alright, we're gonna come back once we got this side on, because it's gonna take a minute.
I think he's fucking PPA crawling. Yeah. I'm gonna sue them niggas.
Yeah, you might as well. They took the one board, what was it, a Hellcat? Yeah. They did the burnout in the lot. Yeah. Shorty went viral and shit. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go out on the street. I know where you're at. Listen. Holy shit. God damn. Alright, I might want to Hellcat. Yeah. I'm dead.
I need at least $20 off of that.
God, that nigga, I ain't even getting paid yet. What are you talking about? $20. Put my fucking jack back.
What you talking about?
Take your fucking gun. I don't care.
This don't even work.
Yo, chill. Betty just missing a kneecap and the fucking top of her toes. Leave her alone. She good.
This a nigga.
Yo.
It's crazy. If I put this tire in the back, it looks bigger than the front one.
Nigga, that joint stand stout. Look at that joint. That joint got a whole lip. Somebody Honda Accord was on that joint with the quarter panels. Somebody Honda Accord was on that joint with the quarter panels.
What? Bro, what are you talking about?
Ew! That shit coming together.
I need camber.
You need camber. That's cool. Your tire's set up already.
On the fit for 1600.
That's what these was on. that's how she looking so far. We still gotta put the other side on, but that shit look good. Before.
Knock on the door, because I think he's sleeping, boy. He's sleeping on the couch.
Before. After. And he got the mufflers done, but the tip's gonna come later. I'll put some 4-inch, 5-inch Johns on there. Shit coming together. And then, damn, he finished this John up. That shit look good.
On my jaw, I put fat tires in the front, bro. That shit hitting the fucking.
And you gonna buy him this John? I see you cleaning the window. When you gonna buy him it? Yeah? What you gonna do? 5 all around? Well, what you gonna do?
3%.
Damn!
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Nobody
You
see
ain't gonna be able to see shit out this John.
cleaning up. When I have 4 or 5 bitches in here,
Yeah.
nobody can tell.
Alright. I hear you.
Damn, that joint low as me. 5 bitches get out of the car, that joint high as shit.
Huh? Ain't got this John over there. That shit slant. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got it in me to drive no low shit like this no more. Too fucking old. Back be hurting and shit. This joint slant though. Fuck lower, that joint slammed. Well, while they do that shit, I'll go ahead and put my motherfucking. I'm gonna put this. Get this shit to pop up. I'm gonna put the little cover so you can't put it in the neutral. Dang, this joint dirty as shit. Let me find a rag. I'm gonna try to clean that joint up. And boom, that joint done. Neutral plate covered. You ain't gotta bend it, but you can send it. Let me get it from the angle. Hold on. Go ahead, go ahead. I should have went to the other side. I should have went to the other side. This side was just smoking. Hot boy shit. Alright, so it's I don't know how many days later, but my man went and picked up the front bumper and the side skirt. So we about to go from the basic John. So y'all already know what we're gonna do with the look though. Yeah. We're gonna slap this shit on, put the side skirt on. You can put the side skirt on right now, right? Yeah. I bet.
Just one, so.
This one?
Fuck it.
Fuck them.
Scat one side, RT the other one.
Got it. Alright. Alright, yeah, let's get this on popping. Oh yeah, and we couldn't forget these. We had got these. But they blacked out, but they got the LED on the inside. We'll be putting them on too. Front and back. It's gonna be the last time y'all see this joint like this. So. That shit was like nothing. What is this? Got the 110? Or I got 2? You got 2 too? Oh, I got 2 10s? 2 out both. Together? Oh. You wanna do all that?
pin out.
And that John broke right there. He said easy way. Oh shit.
Almost broke that one.
Oh shit. I hear this what happens when we do shit on some dumb shit, but it's cool. We replacing them Johns. No. Yo, cabrón. Go ahead, do it again. Let me see, let me try. That shit still ain't come out. Alright, we got that bullshit out. We got her bare face. Now we gonna put the bumper lights in this joint. And then once the bumper lights is on, then we'll install everything and show you what it look like when we done.
Dang, that shit hit my face. Got these ones already out. I bought new headlights.
Alright, so this is what she looking like. We still got button up the corners. Only ones we put right now was this one right here and this one right here. We still got to put the two on the sides, the three on the sides, and the two here and the one there, the three on this side too. So, oh shit, that's good. This is what this shit looking like now. Same color and all. What side skirt you need? Driver's side skirt. If anybody got that drawn for a scat, comment down below. Or hit me on my Instagram at finesse_vlogs. Yeah, this joint coming together. We gotta do the backlights now. Alright, so it's been a couple hours already. We're gonna do the backlights later because we ended up talking and just chilling for real. We're gonna do the backlights tomorrow, and we're gonna take the bumper back off because he gotta get. Well, he don't gotta get. He got them, but we gotta put in the hose right here. Not the hose. Fuck, man. The parking sensors. You gotta put the parking sensors in there. Other than that, though, she coming out alright. And the one side skirt. We gotta put the one side skirt too. And then, like I said, like 50 times, he needs the other side. Coming together. See what it look like the hood. He's checking his headlights. Them Jones not coming on, but. On the next video, we're going to be doing the rear cradle with the Brembos and the 309 LSD and all of that. So if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe to follow more on not only his build, but on my 300 and my Jeep. Till next time.